Alright, hello, this is the ME 1800 turning experiment tutorial. So you guys can follow along and look at the PowerPoint as well as this, and it should clarify some instructions. So the first thing you guys are going to want to open is Spree, which can either be found on your desktop or you can search in the programs. Then once it is open, you need to browse to the template. And then it is called turningexp.est. So once it's open, you're going to want to change the feed rate to whatever your assigned feed rate is. And you can just double click on the cutoff and find the feed rate, and it should be simple enough. After, you are going to simulate in CAM, which you should always do before any experiment to make sure that what you're doing is actually what you want to be doing. Alrighty, so now you will create the NC code by going to File, NC Code. A new window should pop up, and from there you will go to Tools, and then pick WDNC and the Haas program. A new window should show up, and then you should list prog and receive data from the machine, and then press play back on the computer. This will load the information onto the lathe. Now you need to load the workpiece. To open the chuck, use the foot pedal, and then insert the workpiece and make sure at least 1 inch is sticking out. Here you can see we have about 1.5 inches. So now you need to set the work offsets. So you are going to handle jog the tool. You need to make sure you have tool T6, which is in the PowerPoint, and handle jog it until it is very near the piece, but do not actually touch the workpiece without spinning. So now you need to Z-face measure, which there's the instructions in the quick guide. Next, you will simulate the graphics on the machine. Instructions on how to do that are also in the quick guide. And reduce rapid rate, which should be done in every lab, which just includes pressing the 25% button. And now you're going to use the VI, which is LabVIEW Virtual Instrumentation, and you are going to change the name of the recording to something that you can find it, and also change to specify whichever feed rate you are using. Before running the VI, you have to run the program. And check distance to go. That's always important in every lab. And once everything seems safe, you will continue running the program until the lathe stops automatically. It's in the program. At this point, you'll go back to the visual instrumentation and follow the instructions on the VI screen in order to start collecting data. So as you can see, this is what it would look like when it starts recording. So resume the program by cycle starting and finish running the program. Once you're done, you are going to remove your workpiece. And that is what your final project should look like, and you will stop collecting data and submit your data to the link provided on the instructions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this clarifies some stuff.